very high, so I cannot show you the inside of the blade constructor. And this machine is also 1.2 meter, and the same model like the machine. And the inside, the constructor of the working chamber is the same. So I just reference this model to give you more introduction about the inside working chamber constructor. And you can see this is a working chamber, and the total length is 1.2 meter, and the total width is around. Because the blade diameter is 420 millimeter, so the width of the working chamber is around 800 millimeter. But for your machine, it's another kind of design, because the blade thickness and the blade quantity is little different. This machine mainly to process the steel tires, and there are some parts to control the fellow particle size. Fix the inside the working chamber with the fixed blade and the movable blade. You can see the movable blade. This machine movable blade thickness is 5 cm. For your raw material, for processing your raw material, especially the scrap metal, your final required size is around from 5 cm to 10 cm. The thickness of the blade I recommend to you is 70 millimeter. That's to say, the blade thickness is 70 millimeter, and this working chamber is mainly made up of the fixed blade and the movable blade, and the movable blade was installed on the shaft, and this is also the fixed blade, and there are the spacer between two blades, and the spacer diameter, the thickness, is the same like the movable blade and also the fixed blade. And for our fixed blade, there are two kinds of raw material available for climate checking. The standard raw material is H13. This kind of raw material, after the special treatment, heat treatment, and fogging and quenching and cutting, the hardness can reach 55 HRC to 60 HRC. This kind of raw material is very good toughness and well. And for this kind of raw material, that is brand is very good quality. And according to our experience, we use this kind of raw material many years already. Processing the scrap tires, metals, and the wood. This kind of material is really very good and very durable. And no matter for the fixed blade, movable blade, and the spacer, we always use the top brand manufacturer raw material. And as for the machine, the whole machine, the spare part, the blade. But because we use the best raw material H13 and SPD 11, and the blade also can be repaired and reused, and totally the using life of the blade can be reached right here. You will ask me how to maintain the blade on the curve. You can see this is the fixed blade. The fixed blade teeth is the spare part of the blade, because the raw material will be cut the blade teeth directly. So at the consumption part of the blade teeth, it can be repaired under the normal temperature by the normal raw material. The traditional way is by the welding and the polishing and the fogging and then cutting. Then the blade teeth can be repaired, and that's to say, it will be very easy. Even in your local market, it can be repaired by yourself. And also for the blade, there are two types available. I have already give you introduction in the quotation. You can reference that.